Rajaul Karim. In this video, I am going to show you how you can add a page in your Shopify store. Here you can see I am in my dashboard. I am going to click online store. Click on it. Then you will have the option pages. Click on pages, and then from here you can add a new page. Going to click on add page. I am writing the page name, our mission. Okay, you can add here your content. You can only add text, image, videos, etc. But you can not multi-row. You can not able to add multi-row, multi-column text to his image from here. We'll have to edit or add those items from theme customization. I'm going to show you how we can do it. I'm going to make it visible. Just I'm putting the content test page. Test page. Then save. To show this page, we need a menu item. Click on content. To add a menu item, click menus. I will add this page in my main menu. Okay, click on main menu. Add a menu item. I'm going to name it our mission. Link the page, click on it, and then pages. You can see our mission here. Okay, save. Now I'll go to my theme editor. Click on online store. Here you can see themes, and I will show the preview. Click on preview. Here you can see our mission, and if I click on our mission, then we can see this is our page. Now we will customize this page through our theme editor. Click on edit theme. From here we'll change the page. Here you can see we don't have our page. Okay, to show our page we will have to create a template. Create template. I will name it our mission. Okay, click on create template, and from here we can see, if I click on pages, we can see our mission page. Here you can see our page has appeared. Now I am going to add an element. Click on add section. I'm just taking a hero section just to check. Okay, here you can see our hero section. I'm going to save it. If I refresh our page, you can see it will not show. You can see it has not shown. We will have to do one more task. Click on it, go back, then go to pages, and then click on our mission. We will have to change the template default page to our mission, then save it. Now UI refresh. I hope it will work. Okay, here you can see it has worked. Thanks for watching. If you need more Shopify related videos, Please like, comment, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank, thank you.